Today, I'm ranking the top AI hustles you can start right now and sharing exactly what you need to start, even if you don't have a single follower. I'm going through them from easiest to hardest, but stick around to the end to see where they rank on my tier list of AI side hustles, with the help of Judge Carolus. Print on demand is not new, but now you can use AI image generators to create cool designs. It's pretty easy to start and has a low cost for entry, especially after you factor in using AI. The key to success with print on demand is getting ultra specific with what you're selling. Generic motivational quotes won't beat the competition. With AI, you can now more easily brainstorm more unique ideas or even test different concepts in a couple of different stores and see what works. Start by generating 10 to 15 designs using an image generator tool like Midjourney or VO 3.1. and settling on 1 to 2 products that will show them off. Next, you're going to build your website using Hostinger and use our Printful integration to connect your website. I'll leave a link down in the description below, and you can use a special code there too for 10% off. Then just run those designs for the first 90 days and see what works. After 3 months, keep the most popular designs, get rid of the ones that no one's interested in, and rework whatever is in between. We have a few videos on how you can get started with print on demand, so I'll leave those in the description box below for you. With print on demand, you can usually expect to be making around $500 to $1,000 within the first few months, as long as you stay consistent. That means setting up the attention grabbers like Instagram or TikTok and using tools like email marketing or paid advertising. Plus, keeping an eye on what is selling and changing it up when something isn't working. For costs, a subscription to an AI tool like Midjourney is about $10 a month plus $14 a month for your website. Other than that, set some extra budget for marketing. Printful only charges you when a customer makes a purchase, so no upfront costs you need to worry about. To me, print on demand is C tier. The margin per sale is low and competition is high, so without a specific niche and some time spent for marketing, your designs might not sell. You won't be losing money, except if you run ads, but you won't be earning any either. And that's the whole point of a side hustle. Plus, it does require a little bit more effort at the start, which makes it less of a true side hustle and more of a plain old hustle. Side hustle number 2 speaks to the nerd inside of all of us. That is puzzle and activity books. They are an always relevant niche. People often buy them while traveling or as gifts, and they're a big part of the analog bag trend going around on social media. You can use websites like KDP Easy to generate the puzzles and put them together into booklets using Canva. That booklet can easily be uploaded to Amazon's KDP tools to create print-ready booklets that you can immediately start selling. Or you can just upload the files to your e-commerce site and start selling them as digital downloads. Now, if you're a little bit more tech savvy and want higher margins, you can use Hostinger Horizons to create an online game companion. Whether that's a solve page, a timer, or a membership area where your customers can sign up for new puzzles. You're using AI to create the actual puzzles and also a platform to host your side hustle. Plus, by having a website, you can add a whole other monetization layer to your project through affiliate marketing or by using Google AdSense. Now, if you search on social media, you'll see viral videos talking about the 6-figure returns on all of these print-on-demand books and notebooks. In my opinion, a more realistic figure is around $500 a month as you build up your catalog. Adding digital downloads will help massively since you can host these on your own platform and they don't require any overhead. For costs, printing starts at $1 a book, and that's if you use Amazon, plus $14 a month for your website. This one is B tier for me. It's really easy to get started with, but the competition is high, so it's going to require a bit of effort if you really want to make it work. Just as you'd iterate on the designs for your print-on-demand shop, you need to keep releasing new puzzles or activities if you actually want to build up an audience and earn consistent income. but the niche has demand, and to me, it's a little bit more interesting than a regular print-on-demand store. The next idea here is simple. Use a vibe coding tool like Horizons to create simple but very useful micro web apps. Something like a focus timer, a tip calculator, or a resume builder. Basic tools that anyone can use again and again. Then, monetize your website through Google AdSense. Depending on what you create, you could even add a membership tier for a little added income. All you have to do is find a problem to solve and start prompting your solution. For ideas, I recommend checking out Reddit threads like r/productivity apps, where you can see the tools people are already using and what they think is missing. Build the app directly in Horizons or connect your Hostinger account to ChatGPT if you want to have a little bit more guidance for your first draft. For traffic, make sure you're sharing your app everywhere you can. Reddit, any niche Discord threads you're part of, or Product Hunt are great places to drum up traffic and word of mouth. Adding a short FAQ section can help with SEO, and by answering specific questions to your niche, you could help boost your visibility in AI platforms as well. For example, I built this lightweight eye strain timer a few months ago and included a link that explains the science behind how the timer works. It's phrased as a natural question with a straightforward answer to help capture anyone who is searching for eye strain help on Google. A small website with somewhat low traffic might earn about $50 a month, but this figure grows alongside your website. Once you have enough traffic, a membership tier can add another $50 to $100 per month to your overall revenue. Your costs, apart from your website, which is about $14 a month, none. Google AdSense is free to add to your website, and you get paid based on page views. This one is an A tier for AI side hustles. The upside is big. You're building on your own platform, and vibe coding makes this really easy to do. Google AdSense is basically all revenue. The only catch is you need people to visit your website. Because of that, you likely will have to build a few apps before one of them sticks. And again, this does require some effort when it comes to outreach and iteration. But other than that, you're not paying for anything extra. It doesn't make it to S tier because it takes a while to scale and needs a lot of patience and effort to get right. Still, if you're down to experiment, I think this is probably the most accessible and fun AI side hustle out there. Every business needs a website, but a lot of local businesses either haven't made one or haven't updated it since 2015. So why not help make them and make some cash on the side? With AI, you can build a professional-looking website in under an hour, turn it into a template, and then start customizing it for any business that might need it. Sell it as a project or charge a monthly maintenance fee. Either way, the bulk of your work is going to be in creating a template that can be easily customized no matter the business. And here's a secret trick. Add an AI chatbot to your website template. Service-based businesses like dentist offices or salons will love it. And it's not something a lot of normal businesses are ready to handle. Thankfully, you have Hostinger Horizons to help you on hand. All you have to do is prompt the AI to add a lightweight chatbot and describe what you want the chatbot to do. Now, this option doesn't come without some work. You'll still need an FAQ from your clients and put some constraints around the chatbot so it doesn't completely hallucinate. But it is a feature that is easy for you to add and very impressive to a small business that wouldn't know how to do it themselves. This is one side hustle where you can actually charge a lot more upfront. We go into more details about this in this video right here, but it's not unreasonable to charge at least $500 per website with some add-on maintenance fees. The costs? For your website, you can stick to the starter plan on Horizons, which is about $14 a month. That allows for up to 25 websites, which should be great for when you start. It's also important to take into account token costs for those AI chatbots. Every time someone interacts with the chatbot, you'll be charged AI credits through Horizons, so you'll have to keep on top of those credits as you start to scale, or your clients will flood your inbox wondering why their chatbot isn't working. I rank lead generation as S tier when it comes to AI side hustles. Yes, It's going to take more of your time than print on demand, but it's also likely going to earn more in the long run. The demand is there, and the needs of your clients are pretty easy to manage. These businesses aren't competing for a design award. They want websites that are easy to navigate and connect them to their clients. That makes it easy for you to create a template that you can customize with stock photos, copy, and custom colors. The only reason this isn't a walk in the park is that it does require sales skills and some client management, plus maintenance if you decide to go that route. That's why most people will avoid templates as a side hustle, but it's also why competition isn't as high as low-effort options like print on demand. This last one is my advanced pick for the day. If you don't know your way around an MCP, probably not for you. But if you built a few AI agents or automations for yourself, stick around because this one is very interesting. First, choose a problem an AI agent could solve. Then you just package it up and sell that to someone else. Think of creating pre-configured agent avatars for specific niches, like a content research bot for UGC creators. What you'll be selling are the markdown files and a setup brief. Your clients are users that want to use agents like OpenClaw, but don't want to put in the effort of training these agents themselves. You can break it down even further and sell the automations themselves, or set up a managed agent team, or even create a consulting fee that allows your clients to come to you for troubleshooting. Similarly to selling lead generation websites, you're leveraging your own expertise to someone who wants the solution but can't figure it out themselves. The cost? Hostinger's VPS plan for OpenClaw will run you about $8.99 per month, which will give you full root access, allowing you to fully manage the agents and agent files yourself. For API costs, start by budgeting $35 a month. Selling your agents depends on how much hand-holding you'll offer your clients. If it's just the agent files, that's $10 per file, since it's basically a digital download. If you're handling the setup and build or maintaining agents for your clients, you can expect to charge at least $50 to $200, depending on how complex the agent and automations are. This one is up there in A tier. Still low competition, easy to monetize, and scalable. It's true, it's a bit technical, so I won't give it an S tier because I understand it is not for everyone. But if you want to improve your AI skills, there's nothing better than getting messy and give this a try. All right, back to you, regular Carolus. Thank you, Judge Carolus. And there you have it. There's 5 side hustles, each powered by AI in a different way. Check out the description box down below for a 10% discount to Horizons, which you can use with any of these side hustle ideas. Plus, stick around and watch this video if you want more of a challenge. I'll see you in the next one.